ये हफ्ते का व्लॉग थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा शॉर्ट भी है। तो पूरे देश का लॉकडाउन मोरलेस ख़त्म हो गया है। या तो देश में मतलब अपने देश में तो केस कम नहीं हुआ है, पर ज़्यादातर लोग को अभी फक्स है नहीं देने को, तो लोग जहाँ चाहते हैं वहाँ पे घूमते रहते हैं पूरा टाइम। और मेरे बिल्डिंग में थोड़े सीन्स अभी भी हैं, बहुत सारे केस आते रहते हैं, तो आई कांट रियली गो डाउनस्टेयर्स और गो टू द टेरेस एनी मोर। तो मैं इन 4 दीवारों में ही रहता हूँ पूरा दिन, और वो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हो जाता है। So I bought all this stuff and I was at home and I was just getting fried and frustrated until finally I decided कि एक दिन तो कुछ ना कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा। So mindfuck हो गया है, और जब इतना mindfuck हो जाता है तो you have very few solutions except to ask for help from your friends. So that's what I'm doing. I go to my friend's house and maybe it will help. So let's see how that goes. Naveen is one friend that I visit a lot whenever I'm at my worst. Like हम लोग वैसे भी है ही डिप्रेशन बड़ी, बिकॉज हम लोग जब मिले कॉमेडी सर्किट में तो हम लोग दोनों ने रियलाइज किया कि ये तू भी डिप्रेस, और फिर हम लोग बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन गए. So whenever I'm in a bad place, I like to visit him, and visiting him always makes me feel better. This time was even more special because he had just won an award. Hi mom. Naveen.
This is my face only.
Oh, I didn't go as fast as I thought.
Oh, hi cats.
What is this award about?
It's called Rang Rasa, which I find is a very weird name, but it's Sanskrit for entertainer, someone who's colorful, which is me clearly in black and white. But no, it's for being a queer entertainer. For the first time, being gay got me an award, and it's quite heavy actually. I kept it on Bombay to kind of suck the water out of it, so it helps. The people who gave me this award will find out I kept it on Bombay. They'll be very angry.
Did they give you money?
No. But I got a bag and makeup for free. I'll show you the bag. It's quite like fancy.
I want to see the bag.
Yeah, one sec.
That's what a tote bag is?
Yeah.
Huh.
This is things on the shoulder. While you speed walk with your latte.
You feel like they could have given you other stuff instead of like makeup in a bag. Like I know it's like a queer performer thing,
Yeah.
you know. Does it kind of feel like that? Does it feel a little patronizing?
Or patronizing. I don't mind it, to be honest. Like anyone gives me anything for free, I'm like whatever.
That's true.
You know, I didn't expect that to happen. One day I woke up and there was a message that hey, you won an award, and I was like, I had to go and check the page to see if it's legit.
Yeah.
So beyond that point, like if they send me something, you know, it's good on them for at least thinking about me in the middle of a lockdown. Laptop sleep.
But isn't your laptop too big for the sleep?
Yeah, so like a Mac.
That's too big for mine also. I like it.
Small actually.
Yeah, but I like it. It's green. I like that.
Yeah, it was kind of them to keep the price tag on it, so I know how expensive it is.
Oh.
There's some subtle shades.
That's sassy, yeah. A little bit of. One thing I realized when I went to Naveen's house is that Naveen really likes to keep his house clean. Like वो काफ़ी clean freak इंसान है, और मुझे लगा कि मेरा डेस्क इतना गंदा हो गया है, शायद मैं भी उसे साफ़ करके अरेंज करूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लगे. यूजुअली जब एंग्जाइटी ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो थेरेपिस्ट सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप ग्राउंडिंग टेक्निक करो. इन माई केस क्लीनिंग स्टफ अप, इट रियली मेक्स मी फील बेटर. सो आई फिगर्ड कि अगर ये डेस्क को मैं अच्छे से साफ करके अरेंज कर दूँ इन अ नाइस वे तो इट विल गिव मी सम सेंस ऑफ कंट्रोल, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर आजकल ऐसा लगता है कि कोई चीज़ मेरे कंट्रोल में है ही नहीं और मैं बस फ्री फॉल कर रहा हूँ।
कंट्रोल कंट्रोल उदय।
सो आई फेल्ट लाइक अगर इतना भी मेरे जो कंट्रोल में है उसे मैं साफ़ सुथरा रख के अच्छे से एफिशिएंट बनाऊँ तो मुझे कम फ्रीक आउट फील होगा। अब मैंने सेटअप के लिए जो भी चीज़ें खरीदी थी वो ऑब्वियसली एक ऑर्डर में आती नहीं है। अमेज़ॉन से जब आप चीज़ें मंगाते हो तो आपको पता है कि कोई भी ऑर्डर रैंडमली आती है एंड देन यू डोंट क्वाइट नो when it's going to come, so you start setting it up any which way और फिर mess create होता है। And the first and most messy thing about this mess is the cables, and cables get really on my nerves। हर जगह वायर देख के जो एंग्जाइटी हो जाता है उसे पार करने के लिए एक ही सोल्यूशन था। मेरे पास एक पुराना डब्बा था जिसके अंदर रैंडम चीज़ें पड़ी रहती थी, तो मैंने वो सब निकाली। One of my favorite parts about cleaning up is just removing everything from the desk and putting it somewhere else in a neat arranged fashion। वो जो खाली करने का महसूस होता है ना फील, वो जो फीलिंग आता है ना सब कुछ साफ कर देने का, ऐसा लगता है कि तुम लाइफ में पूरा फ्रेश स्टार्ट ले रहे हो। This table also is like a really old table that I only designed many years ago। It's the kind of table that you can use for an audio engineering setup। It has an inbuilt upper shelf for the monitors to sit so that you can hear sound properly and clearly, and it even has its own power unit, so there's a space for a stabilizer, and the stabilizer goes to the multi-plug, and the multi-plug is where all your equipment rests so that nothing gets messed up because of bad electricity। This is the setup actually, upra with everything. Everything starts obviously with the laptop. The laptop is on this nice stand that I picked up from Amazon. Gives me height and angle adjustment, and also has these really nifty side things that come out with a little port ka cable underneath, so you can put a lot of stuff there. That's how I've actually put the hard disk on this, and this obviously doesn't have too many USB 3 ports, so I had to buy a USB 3 hub which sort of connects to everything else. This essentially connects to the monitor, the sound card, and this is just the mouse because I didn't feel like having it outside. Directly to the computer is the TP-Link gigabit Ethernet adapter for when I'm streaming and stuff, and the hub itself, and a USB-C type card reader that I use to transfer files all the time. The hard disk, whenever I need to connect it, the wire just comes from underneath and goes straight into this. The HDMI port on the side connects to the monitor, which also gives me my GoPro. The GoPro is really convenient for when I want to quickly shoot something, talk to the camera, stuff like that. I got a keyboard and a mouse from Logitech. They have good, decent mouses, plus it was within the range, तो उसी से खरीदा है. Xbox remote for when I feel like playing Cricket 19. Works on battery, also works on cable, and the cables are all like very conveniently kept here. That's the cable for the Xbox. That's an extra USB cable for C-type cable for when I need to charge. Kindle obviously when I need to read. This is a very simple wipes that I use to wipe the screen. ये disposable है, तो I try to use it only once, and I try to clean all the screens that I have to clean with just one of these, so that you don't end up wasting it. Inside this is a lot of extra stuff in case I need it. It's an extra HDMI C-type converter port. There's some USB B-type cables, extra battery for the GoPro. The card reader usually sits back inside here when it's done with, and yeah, that kind of handles it. This is also my travel case for whenever I'm traveling with a lot of electronics, so I use this only. Knife, very much blunted, kept here in case I need the screwdriver and stuff on it, which ends up happening every now and then. I didn't have a clock because the clock in my room is on the back, so I figured instead of using that clock and turning around every time, I just keep the always on display on my phone, and that gives me a sense of time and messages and all of that. I have an H4n, sorry, an H5. I used to have an H4n. I have an H5 now, which doubles as a sound card. I usually have a cover on top of this, but it's not there right now. I'm hoping to get a double-sided tape and just like mount it onto this, because this has a screw on the back which can get mounted on. I'll do that when I can get the money. The speakers I'm using right now are MSP5s, Yamaha MSP5s. They're proper professional grade studio monitors. I have them since when I was doing audio engineering. They were my first big purchase that I wanted to get, so I've had them for years. Nice to be able to use them. Also attached to this from the wire underneath is the microphone. Use an SM58, just got this cover on it. ये stand भी Amazon पे सस्ते में पहले ही मिल गया था, तो मैंने खरीद के रखा था. And when I'm monitoring and I don't want the speaker का आवाज़ to come into the mic, I use these headphones. I use Audio Technica M50Xs. These are probably the best, as said by MKBHD. Earphones on the side just in case I need to suddenly switch to Bluetooth and get onto a call. Always very important. I've taken this, which is a USB hub, which is just a power hub for 4 USBs, which goes all the way underneath behind the wire box, in which case all the wires are there, and it goes straight to the electrical board there. I used to have a stabilizer here, and I don't have the stabilizer right now, but I'm gonna get it back once I can from my dad. Also there is a spare tripod in case I need it. उसके ऊपर मोबाइल बैठता है, कैमरा बैठता है, सब कुछ बैठता है, तो वो बहुत सही पड़ता है. And yeah, that is the setup. It's a fairly straightforward setup, not much required, and still a little wiry and messy, but I don't seem to mind. Oh, not to forget, I got this really nifty little stand. This also fits the tablet and this also fits the mobile, and usually if I need to charge, it just goes straight into that, and that sorts that out. And yeah, that is the setup. It's done. I feel better. Anyway, that is this week's vlog. It's short, I know, and it's sweet also if you ask me. But what I'm really trying to get at with all of this is कि last 1-2 महीनों से, rather 6-8 महीनों से mindfuck काफ़ी लोगों का हो चुका है, और ऐसा अक्सर लगने लगता है कि आप अकेले हो. And I don't want anyone to feel like they're alone, because if you feel like you're alone, then know that even I feel like I'm alone. And if both of us feel alone, then at least there's 2 of us, so we're not alone. So hang in there, man. Metaphorically, take care of yourself. Don't get too stressed out. Okay? You are not alone. You are never alone. And whenever things get too messy, first step, clear everything out and then reset everything again. Maybe it'll help you too. Okay, bye.